Hello everyone and welcome to AutoTradeHub. Today we are going to discussing about amazing performance of AutoTradeHub's algo trading software. Today I am going to take you all to one of our clients' account history so that you all can understand how our algo trading software is performing. See this screen. On this screen, one account is already logged in. One of our clients has graciously allowed us to take the video of the trading account to share with our clients. So let me take you all to account history. So this client has deposited $1,000 and made a profit of $930. Till now, the client has taken the withdrawal of $755. So let's see when this client has started the trading. This client has started his account on 6th of January 2023, and after that he has completely run our algo trading software on this account. No manual trading is been done in this account. So let me maximize the screen. You can also see the lot sizes. It starts from 0.01 and two currencies are there to trade, Euro USD and AUD USD. Let me scroll down so that you can monitor the lot size. You can also see no much risk is taken. Very small lots is taken and with very minimal risks. This client has also taken the withdrawal multiple times. See here on month of February taken $330 of withdrawal, and in month of March this client is taken the withdrawal of $425. Total profit is made 930, out of which $755 has been withdrawn. So you can see in 4 months this client has made a profit of 93% with our algo trading software. So this software is having very best strategy that can be different from other algo trading software. It has a unique risk management strategy installed into this robot so that your account risk is automatically managed by this software, so that the demand for this software is highly increasing. So if you are satisfied, if you are interested, if you are, as you have seen the results and you like this performance of this software, so you can contact us on our website on www.autotrade-hub.com. This is our website. I will also mention the link in the description and also contact details in the description. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.